So the trading is totally based on the psychological thinking. It is the psychology of the member of the mind, how you are thinking about the trading, the rules, the concepts, the setups, the strategies, everything is working. If these strategies are working on the demo account and not working on the real account, it means that there is no fault in the trading, there is a fault within us. How we can overcome this issue? When I started to overcome the fear, when I deposit the $100, when I deposited this $100 in account, that time I thought in my mind that this $100 I lost. It is not mine now. It is not mine. Now, I promise myself I will place a trade only with the $1. Only with the $1. $1. How many I have opportunities?
100.
Is it possible that only I have 100 opportunities?
Oh, sir, so many opportunities.
Okay.
So many, right? Maybe
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have 150 opportunities, right?
Yes.
Because when I will lose the trade, definitely sometimes I will win the trades.
Yes.
So in this 100, how many I can play the trades? 150. It is possible I can play the 200 trades, right?
Right, sir.
If you are not learning from the 200 real trades, then leave the trading. Then leave the trading, because God not created you for this trading purpose. Maybe the God created you for another business. Why we are forcing that we must be a trader? There are some actors, there are some teachers, there are some musicians, there are some YouTubers. So many have different businesses are there in the world, right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the trading is not we are getting after this practice, even if we are losing, then it means that we are not for the trading purpose. You are understanding the concepts, but you are unable to apply. You have a too much braveness. You have a too much braveness, but you have a fear. You are not joining the army. You are not joining the forces. I don't know why. Maybe, right? There are so many people, they are brave, but they are not joining any force. They are thinking, no, we are not created for these jobs. So, first of all, recognize yourself what you are. There are some tailors. There are some other low category businessmen. They are good in a trading. But there are some MBA holders, there are some business holders, there are some finance education holders. They are very, very low in a trading. It is possible. This is common. This is psychology. It's a human psychology that every human is created for a one work. But when he is not recognizing his work, he will be fail, he will be fail, he will be fail. There are so many stories. A one person who failed 17, 20, 25, 50 times in a life, but one time he gets success and he is recognized in all over the world. There are so many stories. Yes, wrong, right or wrong?
Right,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Right.
So, brother, one thing is that if you are not recognizing yourself, maybe you are not created for the trading, that you are losing the time. You are wasting the time. But if you are created for the trading, then overcome the fear. Otherwise, It is very harmful. So now, depositing $10 or depositing $20 or depositing $50, avoid. What? Avoid. You know that when the $10 you will deposit, what you will, when you will start the trade, if $1 you lose, what will happen in your mind? I left $9. I left $9, then how I can manage? It means that now your mind is totally come into fear, and then thinking about the loss, but not thinking about the setup, not thinking about the market. So is that psychological effect or not? Is that emotional effect or not? If it this fear appear, it means the $9, 110% you will lose. If there is $100 and then $1 opportunity, just trade and test yourself and promise yourself the entry will not increase from the $1 to $2. No. When you will increase the entry in a $2, it means that you are not following your rules and you are near to the failure. If the 200 trades you will play in a real account, what do you are thinking? Do you learn something? Do you understand yourself? Do you understand the concept of fear or not? What do you think? Mostly anyone can tell me, because today is a general session. The topics already I covered. Today is a general session that in this session, I'm counseling you that when you are starting the trading, why you are getting failed? What's the reason? And when I am trading, always already you saw so many my videos. When I am trading, you can understand my tone of the speaking while I'm trading. You can understand my emotions while I'm trading. You will always find me a very normal person in the trading.
Yes, sir.
There is no any effect on my personality, on my thinking, on my emotions, on my fear or whatever. You will find that like I am talking right now, you will find a same thing in the trading. When I'm losing, I'm not thinking about the loss. I'm thinking that how I can recover now. Okay. And you know that sometimes in the start, when I don't know how to overcome the fear, when I enter the trade, before closing the entry, I was thinking that this trade will be lost. Then I ask myself that if this trade will close in loss, then why you place a trade? Why you place a call or put option? If you already know before happening the loss, then why you are thinking before happening the loss that this will be the loss? It means that your emotions are not in your control. You need to work on it. Sometimes we are working on the education, but we need something more, a different thing we need. So that's the counseling about this thing. If you overcome, I can guarantee you will be the successful trader. This is only, and this is, the two things are there. How you are overcoming, it is up to you. A $1 trade, you have 100 opportunity in a $100 deposit, more than 100 opportunities you can learn from the 200 trades. And this, you can open only the 10 trades. How many? 10 trades. So if you lose every day, for example, now I'm telling you the way. $100, every day you are losing the 10 trades. How much it will be the days? 10 trades in a 10 day, right?
Yes, sir.
But these days will be increase. These days will be increase when definitely 50% you will win, 60% you will win, 70% you will win. So this journey will run minimum 20 days. In the 20 days, you need to achieve all your goals. A one day, a one point will appear where you will grow your business, where you will grow your amount. In the start, it will move down, then it's move up, then it's move down, then slowly your graph will move in up direction. And when fear and greed is out from your trading, then you will grow like this way. But in the start, this is the first step. This is the trading steps. Sometimes you reach at this step, but again fall at this step. Now your journey is running like this way, right?
Yes,
You are
sir.
moving around in the first step. Sometimes you are reaching at the second step, and then again on the first, second. When we will reach the third step? So think about it. I'm going to show you some trades on the rejection. See these trades, which I already placed, and I uploaded the videos also. This video I not uploaded. There are some videos which I not uploaded, but here I'm going to show you the picture. See this trade. Can anyone tell me why I placed this trade? It is all
Because
about
of
our education.
this hammer is rejected from support level.
Rejected from support level. So can I say this is a rejection trade?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you know how many entries I placed here?
The two.
Two entries.
So two.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
At the same time, two entries I placed. It means that I was too much confident at this trade, right?
Yes.
So, you know why I place? There are so many other reasons. If you think this is a seller candle, the candle is a big one.
Yes, sir.
After big candle, what you will expect?
Small candle.
A big candle, you will expect a bearish candle, whatever the small or medium, okay?
Yes, sir.
After a big strong candle, after a big bearish strong candle, you expect a bearish candle. What happens? Which candle appear?
Bullish.
Bullish candle appear.
It means who is not interested? Who is weak?
Bearish is weak.
Bearish is weak. That's why I go with the buyers, right?
Right.
And how I understood? How I understood? Is it a strong candle? Right?
Yes.
Right.
After this strong candle, which is the candle?
Green candle.
Bearish. Bullish.
Green candle, which is a rejected candle, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
look at it. After this strong candle, why we got this green candle? What your mind is clicking? That who is not strong? The sellers are not strong. After a strong red candle, we expect a red candle, right? Wrong?
Right, sir.
But if we are not getting the right red candle, it means that the sellers are weak. And then buyers entered, after the again buyers entered, right?
Right.
So the same concept I've understood. A red strong candle, after a rejected candle, I place a call option, two call options at the same time that this candle will move in up direction.
So it's also a similarity.
Yes, it's a similarity and it's a concept. It's an analysis that after a strong candle, why green candle appear? After a strong candle, why green candle appear? Right?
Right.
See, after a strong bullish candle, why red candle appear? Right?
Yes.
And after a strong bullish candle, what will appear?
Red thing.
Is it appearing? Right?
Yes.
After a strong candle, what will appear? Red. After a strong candle, what will appear? Red. Right? So it is what? A similarity in the market. Okay? So, in this case, when you are analyzing the rejection, when you are analyzing the candlestick pattern, when you are analyzing the support and resistance, think about the similarity and think logically. Ask from your mind, understand the logics of the candle. They will give you so many answers, and slowly, one by one, you will get so many concepts and you will be able to apply in the live market. So that's why these concepts not written in the books. This is experience. Okay. Next trade.
Sir,
Yes. Is there any question? Yes.
sir, do you need to follow the trend in this area?
Once again, tell me again. I cannot understand.
Sir, do you need to follow the trend in this trend?
Yes, brother. Always. If always follow the trend. Why? Sometimes I'm making the counter trades, right? A counter trades I'm making because of the experience. But if I'm not understanding the reversal trades, then always I'm going for the continuation trades. The continuation trades are more secure. Why I am taking the risk? Because if I earn the 5 trades, if I lose the 1 trade, not a problem for me, right?
Yes.
So that's why I'm taking the risk sometimes. But when you are trading, you always follow the trend. Don't go against the trend. But here, this is not against the trend. This is a ranging market, right? So I place this trade here. Next trade we are discussing.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Now-
the volume of these trades can help in any way.
Yes, it can help you, but I prove that self that if there is no volume, if someone is thinking that I don't know volume, only I know the price action, that's why I'm not profitable. But I trade all these candles and all the videos which I am uploading on the YouTube, they are without the volume. There is no volume, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it means that without volume, we can earn, we can understand the candlestick. When the candlestick movement you will find, you will understand the strength and weakness of the candle. When the rejection you will find, you will understand the rejection is a strong or rejection is a weak. It is possible you can understand. It is not necessary that if you don't know the volume, you will be not a profitable trader. You can be the profitable trader, but the volume will give you the clear hint. Here you can understand I'm testing myself. Without volume, I'm okay or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now tell me why I place this trade, which is a deep win.
Because of
Yeah,
that is a strong seller level and
Strong
it's
resistance
close a
level.
spinning top on the level
Very good.
and right opening.
Right. Very nice. And look at, I got the correct support and resistance level, right?
Right.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
I got, when you will see this video I did not share it, but I will share with you people, right?
Okay.
So here, how many rejections are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the rejection at the upward side and the candle close under the resistance with the no any gap. No any gap.
Yep.
So, and the next candle opens without any gap. 100% the red candle. You know that when the candle starts, immediately it came down. It not was moving in up that I can place a trade at this area. But I understood that this candle will be the big candle because sometimes that was on the key levels, there are the big candles, right? So I understood that that can be the big candle. So I place a trade. I take a risk of $50 here. And then you can see a big candle, big win. Okay. Here. Why I place this trade?
Because of gap.
because of gap. But I'm thinking that I place a trade because of the rejection.
Oh,
My trade reason is rejection. The gap is the additional information, additional confirmation.
okay.
Look at here. This is the key level, right, wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
This key level is broken by the wick.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So price is strong or the key level is strong.
Pressure is strong.
Price are
Yes.
strong. Okay. This is the key level, right, wrong?
Right, sir.
The key level is broken, which is strong. Price is strong or the key level is strong.
Price is
Price
strong.
is strong.
Price is strong. After breaking these two levels, breaking this level, and there is a big gap, who will fill this gap?
Buyer.
Buyers.
Buyers.
There is a gap up. The buyers, the open price starts from here. Is there any level? No.
No, sir.
So all the condition what say place a call option, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
So that's why I place a call option. That's why I place a
Call
call option. And I won this trade. It's easy, right?
Right, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question.
The question is here.
Sir, if the market sells the entry point, there is a possibility of going in any direction.
If the market,
If the market sells the entry point,
yes,
there is a possibility of going in any direction.
yes. When the market is changing the entry point in my strategies, in my concepts, always I'm telling that I observe that if there is a gap, 90% candlestick will follow the previous candle. Is there is a
Yes.
gap? Right, wrong?
Yes, sir.
The candle is a green. What it followed? Previous candle. The two. The candle have a gap. What it followed? This one candle, right? So two
Yes.
example. See what it followed? A previous candle. Here also there is a gap. Here not followed. We missed here. We won here. We won here. We won here. Right? So in this structure, we won the 3 trades, we lose 1 trade on the gap. So as I'm telling that 90%, 95%, you will follow. But in a trend, sometimes in the end of the trend, maybe market not follow, but in the trend, it will follow mostly. Okay. So always care about the gap up or gap down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here, why I place this trade? Very easy and clear cut.
Yes, sir. Because
It's
of
rejection
support level.
from support level and close on the support level.
And it makes a bullish pin bar also.
Yes, very nice. So if we get these type of entry points, these are very easy to identify and place
Yes,
the
sir.
call options, right?
Yes, sir.
So won this trade. And this trade, can anyone tell me why I place this trade?
Mhm.
See, there is a similarity. Is it a similarity, right?
Yes.
This similarity says who failed?
Buyers failed.
Buyers.
Who will be failed?
Buyers.
Buyers will be failed.
And this candle, the red candle, 110% closed on the support. In the video, when you will watch the video on the YouTube, I was talking that if other trader will take a decision, 95% they will take a decision that place a call option because the candle closed on the support and there is no gap, right? Place a call option and there is a rejection on the support and the candle is closed on the support, 100% it will be the Call
Green
option. So go with the buyer, but I go with the seller. Why? I follow the similarity. And one time similarity, second time it must give me the trade. Right? So
Right, sir.
if after this rejection, why there is a not green candle? Then I understood after this rejection, it will be not a green candle. But if the sellers failed after this candle, then can be the green candle. But that's why immediately I understood. Why immediately? How I immediately understood? Because it's so many times I'm taking these type of trades. Before, when I was practicing on the demo account, sometimes in a day 200, 300, 400 trades I was placing. So much practice, day night practice. Then now I'm able to understand. Immediately I'm taking the decisions. You will be also. It is easy. Everything is easy. There is no any special thing. Everything is easy. Why I place this trade?
So after engulfing, it create after that I found bullish pin bar also.
Engulfing retracement and uptrend.
Uptrend,
Previous
single
green
bullish.
candle is break the level, and after that is retracement candle is come, and
Yes.
that is a continuation candle also. That's one, sir.
Okay.
Call
Okay. Very
That's a bullish pin bar also.
okay. You all are very good. We are going good. But but my thinking was different. I was following the similarity of the market. Mostly I am following the similarity of the market. What is the similarity? Find out the similarity here.
Red,
Yes,
green,
one-
red, green. Sir, color
After 100 green come.
Red, green,
red green,
red, green,
red, green, red, green, red, green. And I'm in an uptrend, right? So that will be the red, green candle. And when you
Yes,
will watch the video, I'm telling that there is a red, green, right? And
Yes, sir.
the who failed after the strong green candle, the sellers failed.
Yes, sir.
Sellers
Yes, sir.
failed.
Failed.
In front of the big green candle, the sellers candle is a very small rejection. So I understood the buyers will enter again, and they entered, right?
Right.
See here, I lost here. Sometimes I lost. You know why I lost? Because price move up, rejected back, move up, rejected back, move up, rejected back, touch back, close back, touch back. So I was thinking that now this time again price will move up and then it will back. But what happened? I lose the trade here. And when I lose the trade, I did not repeat the mistake. I place another trade here, another trade here, another trade here, another trade here, $30 to $40 in a one entry to recover this $10. I did not lose the $30 to $40, right?
Right, sir.
And I left him. If it is not mine, then it is not mine, right?
Yes, sir.
On the next candle, what I did, see. On the next candle, 95% traders, they will select a put option because this is a very big candle. Right, wrong?
Right,
Yes,
sir.
sir. They will think it's an exhaustion.
They will place this is an exhaustion candle, and then 95% traders will place a put option. Here, I place a 2 call options to recover this trade.
Sir, I know big candle, that means reversal candle.
Yes. When you are in a trend and then you found a strong candle, that is an exhaustion candle.
Right, sir. It's a consolidation area break.
Yes, this is a breakout candle and strongly break the candle. So this pressure cannot diminish in a one candle. A one small candle you will find. After that, again, I place the trade. You know what the trade will be the next trade? A put option. Next trade, I place a put option. But in the start, in this situation, I lose so many dollars in the start when I was a beginner. In this situation, always I was thinking that I was waiting a big candle, and then I was thinking that this candle will be reverse back. Next candle will be reverse back. I will place a put option. And sometimes 9 out of 10, sometimes 2 out of 10. Right? In the beginning, I was losing money. Then slowly I understood when it will continue, when it will reverse. But the next trade I lose. Next trade I lose because of the entry point. Let's see. Why I lose this trade? Because of the entry point. But in the video, I'm telling that this will be the red candle. And it is a red candle. But that is the entry point. This is the morning time. In the morning time, there was a very sharp movements where I placing the trades were taken in another place. So that was happened. Now, in this session, I get the 0. I lose $10. I win $16. And again, I lose 10. So now what? The next trade. What will be the next trade?
Winning, sir. Next trade will be winning.
That will be winning.
Okay,
but what will be the next trade? Call option, put option.
Sir, a
Next
call
trade,
option.
sir,
Call option, sir.
Okay.
next trade, I hope it's a put option, sir.
Call option.
Call option. Call option.
And how
Here,
many trades?
the
2
rejection.
trades, right?
Yes, sir.
Because
Here
I
got
understood
rejection.
that a strong buyers rejected in the second candle, then sellers entered why they are weak, why they are not strong,
Yes,
Yeah, got it, sir.
why they are not strong,
Sir.
right? Yes.
Sir, this situation, buyer strong candle, buyers quick, again sellers candle, sellers quick, but this candle is 95% strong buyers.
Yes.
yes.
So here the simple information. What? If they are strong, why they are weak? If they are weak, sellers will enter. If sellers enter, why they are weak? Because the buyers was very weak, so they must be strong. If they are not strong, then who will enter? Buyer. So I placed the 2 trades in with a, right?
Yes, sir.
So
But
after
sir, just,
yes.
sir, just one question. But sometimes it happens, no? Like this big green candle and then small green candle, and then after that this kind of red candle. Then after that it creates a evening star, a big red candle.
Yes, sometimes possible. But when the trend is there, when the
Trend.
Okay.
trend is there,
Okay.
this is a breakout. This is the start of the new trend after a consolidation, right?
Got it, sir. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
After this consolidation.
Sir,
Next
one
trade,
question.
yes, brother.
Sir, if after a level rejection, weak candle come, then if red candle is strong come, then we can continue with the bearish.
Yes. Look at, if there is no candle, this one, then I will never place the call option. If there is no candle,
Okay.
then I will place the put option. Because this candle and this candle give me the different information now. As I compare this strong candle, after a strong buyers getting weak, sellers getting weak. So when I will never go with the weak party, I will always go with the
Strong party.
strong party. After this candle, again I place the call option. Right?
Right, sir.
Why? With the gap up. The candles give me the gap up. And this is a weak candle breakout. A weak candle breakout by the strong candle. 99% next candle will be the green. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
After a weak candle breakout with a strong candle. So the next candle will be the green candle. So that's why I place a call option. Now I place the trade here, I lose, right?
Right.
This trade I lose, this trade I win. 2 trades I win. This trade I lose because of the entry point, 2 trades I won here. Another trade I won here. The next trade what I will place? Tell me.
Here, buyer is after a strong candle, buyer is weak now and unable to break.
Yes, buyers are weak now. Now I will go with the seller. If after this breakout, I follow the buyers, why the buyers are weak? What's the reason with the buyer? What's the problem with the buyer? Right?
Yes.
I place a sale, right?
Right.
So candles will talk with you if you understand the candles. So this session, I started the trading. In this session, I win the overall. I'm in a profit. A $20 I lost, and then 16, 16, 32, and 8, 8, 16.
16,
So 8, 4
88,
minus 20,
20,
$28 I'm in a profit, right?
Right.
yes, sir.
So how many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. Not bad.
Good.
Okay.
Got it.
But how it is possible? Because when I am trading, I'm not fearing from the loss. And the process of the no fearing of the loss, you know, which is, first of all, take the risk. Try to understand and take the risk. And where you are taking the risk, then before starting on that amount, think that this is not mine. Now I lost everything. Okay. Then don't think about that I'm losing or I'm winning. So that is the common thing. And you know that what I'm teaching, everything in my trading is the same. Is it any concept which is hidden? Tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I'm not hiding anything. But why I hide? Tell. So when you will win the trades, it is yours. You will get money from the broker, not you will get money from me. So that's why I'm not hiding anything. But something is there that don't fight with the market. Try to understand. Don't take a revenge from the market. Don't take these type of revenges. And don't be angry with the market. And don't be angry with yourself. As much as you will be cool in the trading, you will be successful. But if you are upset, then how it is possible? So tell me, when you are upset in your real life, all the things will going wrong or all the things will going right?
Everything is going wrong.
Everything is going wrong. And when you come for the trading, you must be, your face must be very smiling. You don't have any pain. You don't have any misunderstanding. You don't have any negativity in your mind. You must be clear. This is a psychological game. It is not a gambling. This is a psychological game. And the psychological game, when you are right, you will take the right decision. Okay, so when we are in a negative friendship, our decisions will be all the time negative. Our thinking will be negative, and all the works will be negative, right?
Right.
But when our friendship with the good persons, so we will learn too much. All our work will be giving benefit all the human beings. So think that with a negativity, if you are thinking, you will lose. A positivity always give you the benefit. Think about it. Start with the demo trading, then move to the tournament trading, and then move to the real trading. This is all about this course, and I hope that you enjoyed this course. Everyone learned something new from this 3 classes, and I hope
Yes,
that you will get too much benefited in future also, inshallah. Is there any question?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, brother, ask me.
Sir, I have sent you one screenshot. If you can see.
Screenshot you send me. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Wait. I'm opening. Yes, Surya.
Sir.
What's in it?
So I've just marked. So basically, sir, if you see that the marked one, so there is a green candle, and then you see the red candle with which is a jump up.
Yes. Here it is not
Gap up,
working, right?
Yeah, because when I was observing all these candles, so most of the time I was getting correct. I draw
So
the
there are
trend line
these
and I draw the
3 to 4 days data, the 3 to 4 days data in the Euro USD, skip and go in the back and then identify the gap trading. But in these 3 to 4 days, I don't know what happened with the Euro USD, everything going wrong,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
The charts
Yeah,
are very crazy. The charts, every candle have a gap. And sometimes if you will see that a candle have a 3-3-4-4 candle gap. And you will see that sometimes that the candle have a overlapping 4-4 candle, right?
Right, sir, right.
So
this week too much is critical, sir.
yes, 3 to 4 days passing, I'm not trading on the Euro USD. In the video, I'm telling that Euro USD is very crazy. It's moving abnormal. So I'm not trading in the Euro USD. I'm trading in the USD JPY and trading in now in a JBP USD, AUD USD. I took some trades, but I'm not taking any Euro pair. Euro pair is crazy nowadays. I don't know why. It is the first time in my life.
Okay.
Last week also some good, sir, but this week is so much.
Yes, from 3 days it's running a same thing. Here I'm going to show you that. See. This is Euro, right? In the 5 second, you can see there are so many gaps. It's like look like it's just a OTC market.
Yes, sir.
And in a 1 minute, you can see that there are gaps. See.
Tiny candle gap.
I'm understanding that there is a game inside the Euro USD that there is no demand nowadays, or there is some big deals which will happen very near. And the big players, they know that in the few days, there will be a big game in the Euro USD. That's why they are not purchasing, or that's why they are not selling. When they are not selling, they are not purchasing, there will be no demand, no supply, right?
Right.
And when there will be no demand, no supply, you will find these type of candles where they don't have any trend and don't have any rules and regulation in the movement. So I'm thinking that there will be some important news or important any deals will be there in the Euro USD. Here you can see from this movement, there is no any. See, is it this type of market where we will trade? See, it's not, right? See, there is a gaps between the candles. I was trying to trade today on the Euro USD, but again I skipped. See, I'm trading USD JPY, JBP USD, JBP USD. So I'm avoiding. Maybe this week I will avoid this Euro USD and then I will trade. But maybe every concept will not work. If there is a pattern, will not work. There is a gap, will not work. There is a rejection, will not work. Okay, avoid it.
Noted, sir.
Okay. Yes, brother. Any other member? If you have any question.
Sir, I have some questions, sir.
Yes, some questions. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much?
Sir, 3 questions.
Oh, okay. Ask, brother.
Sir, you gave me some tasks about fake breakout in last webinar, but
Okay.
I want to know the details about true breakout and false breakouts.
Okay, true breakout and fast breakout, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is not a topic, but immediate in the very hurry, I'm going to tell you about this concept, right?
Yes,
See, brother, here. Number 1, this will be the fake breakout. Why it will be the fake breakout? Because the trend is showing low, high, higher low,
Lower,
higher
low,
high.
So
these 4 movements when will be there, low, high, higher low, higher high. In this type of movement, if directly price is coming down and breaking the higher low, it will be the fake breakout. It will be the fake breakout.
Fake breakout.
Here directly, if it is breaking, it will be the fake breakout, market will move down, then it is possible move up, or finally it will move down. So these two movements will be the fake breakouts. But when it will be the true breakout, when price moved up, now it's coming down and then breaking this one. Now price created another movement. So now what we learn? We learn that this is a uptrend movement and this is a downtrend movement. A breakout with a downtrend movement, it is a true. A breakout with a downtrend movement, it's a true. A breakout with a directly, it's a fake. This is a true. When you will find a breakout, you must see that is there any downtrend movement, and which are the downtrend movement? This. It's a sign of downtrend. It's a sign of uptrend. So there is a breakout, a level. Mostly it will be the true. Why?
It indicates a downtrend movement.
It can be the fake. It can be the fake. There is no downtrend movement, right?
Yes.
This is the one kind of technique. The another technique that is very important technique if you understand immediately. Think here. When the candle is as strong, after that it's a weak candle, what will happen? What will be the next candle?
Green.
Green. Is it common?
Yes.
Sellers were strong, they are getting weak. Definitely when they are getting weak, then who will enter? Buyers will enter, right?
Right.
Yes.
If the buyers will enter, if again sellers will enter, then what will happen with the buyer? Why the sellers again enter? It means which buyers entered after a weak sellers, the buyers again getting weak, right? Wrong?
Yes.
If they are again getting weak, it means that the buyers will never enter again. Sellers are getting again strong, so the next candle will be the red, right?
Yes.
What is the breakout? Weak candle, right?
Weak candle. Yes, sir.
Now the another logic. After a weak candle, there is a strong candle. Now it is considered that the sellers are strong, right?
Right, sir.
After this sellers, if the buyers entered, there is something wrong. The sellers are too much strong. Why buyers entered? If buyers entered, it means the buyers are more strong than the sellers, right?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then these sellers will never give alone these buyers because these sellers are very angry. They are thinking, they are saying that we will pay last effort. Now it is a tug of war. They will pay last effort. They paid last effort. Right? They paid what?
Last effort.
Last effort. These buyers say, if we enter here, because before the sellers was too much stronger, and even they are stronger, we entered here, and now we are leaving you. No, impossible. We will enter again.
Got it, sir.
Got it?
Got it.
And here and here, is it a difference?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
understanding able thing that where will be the fake breakout, where will be the true breakout?
Yes.
So now tell me that everything is understanding able if you understand.
If a weak seller green candle come, then that's level it breakout is a true breakout. And if a strong candle is any green candle come, then if that's level is breakout, maybe it will be again buyer will enter and it will be reversed.
So it can be 80 to 85%. How much?
80 to 85%.
The 20 to 15%, this will be different. And then if I talk about everything, then it will take more 1 to 2 hours. So it is just a tip for you, right?
Right.
And same thing for the buyers. Okay. Okay. So any other question? Any member?
Sir, how to easily understand the false top and false bottom in the market and the safe way to trade?
What, brother?
How to easily understand the false top and false bottom
First,
in the market.
okay, if someone understood,
No, sir, no, not understood.
Can you repeat, please, brother?
Sir, how to easily understand the false top and false bottom?
first pattern.
False top and false bottom.
False top and false bottom. What is it?
You can write, okay, you can write me on the Telegram. Write me, because sometimes because of the mic I cannot understand words, and there may be the accent of the language I'm not understanding. Two questions I understood from you, and I gave you the answer, but this question I'm not understanding. Okay, you can
Brother,
write.
please write on Telegram, brother.
Write on Telegram. Write on Telegram. Okay, any other member who have a question?
Maybe no.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
in the trading line, which strategy is the best for beginners?
Strategy for the beginners, right?
Right, sir.
How to easily
A
understand
beginner,
the
when he will trade, even if he got a 90% winning strategy, he will be failed all the time.
Okay.
If he follow the money management, even the strategy is a 50%, 60%, he will be successful all the time.
Yeah.
But if the strategy he is taking, if even the strategy is a 80% or 90%, he will be failed because of the money management. You know that there is sometimes we are exhausted. When we place the 10 trades, after the 10 trades, when we saw the result, one trade, $1 profit after 10 trades, right? And these 10
Right.
trades we took in a 2 hour. So you will be exhausted inner side or not? That
Yes, sir.
what is going on? In a 2 hour, I just earned the $1. This time I place the $5 trade. This time I will place the $10 trade, because I'm not here for wasting time, right?
Right, sir.
And he will be at the peak, will lose all the money. But if he have a money management system, in the 10 trades, when he is winning the 4 trades, he will win the $4 to $5. When 4 to 5, it is acceptable, right? But $1 to $2, it is not acceptable. So that's why this is a big effect on losing sometimes. A money management you need that will help you. A Masanello money management, always I'm suggesting it is a very good money management. 4 out of 10, select and strategy which you want to select. If you want to trade any type of pattern with the Masanello, 4 out of 10, it will work for you. If you want to trade the millennial strategy, it will work for you. If you want to trade the trend continuation strategy, it will work for you. A trend continuation strategy, this is. There is a trend continuation strategy. This one. This is very important strategy. A beginner, I just tell the beginner that always follow this strategy. A very simple.
So ABS Astropher was asked the question.
See here, engulfing. After engulfing, spinning top, inverted hammer or hammer. The next one will be the green. Next one will be the
Green.
green, any type of trend. How many percentage? 86, 89, 84%. I researched these every pattern in a 300 each pattern. How many trades? 300. This is the percentage. How many trades? 300, 300. Every setup have a 300 trades. And this percentage from the 300 trades. So this percentage is very important. Which percentage is important? You take your CHoCH. and paste on a chart, paste on the screen, and understand these are my sure shots. Only I will trade these sure shots. You will never fail. This strategy is very common and understanding able because it's based on the patterns. You know that this is a pattern, this is a continuation sign. The next one will continue. In the bearish, also these are. Okay, so he sent me the question, how to easily understand the false top and false bottom. Brother, this is another type of question where to understand about the M and W pattern, and M have a 16 patterns and W have a 16 patterns. If I speak on the double top, double bottom, so it will take too much time, and today it is not topic. 2 questions I answer about you from you. Okay, any other question? 1 question I will take, then I will close the trade because I have another meeting. 1 more question I will take.
No, sir, no more question from me.
Sir, we will be giving a PDF.
No, Ashraf, okay, now your question is closed. Okay, I answer.
Okay.
I want to give the any other to take advantage to any other member. Mahendra, you have any question?
No, sir.
Saiful Islam, मुझे सुन रहे हो?
No, sir. जी सर.
कोई सवाल है, कोई परेशानी है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया?
नहीं सर, कोई सवाल नहीं है सर.
सब सही है?
सब सही है सर.
Okay, good. Rabab, do you hear me? Are you in the meeting? No. Okay, so members, inshallah we will meet in another lesson, in another course, in another session. But these 3 videos again watch and work on it. And if you like these videos, like this information, then share with your friends which are in the group, help with them, and then practice on it and give me the feedback, right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, brothers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.